are so doggone weird. Don't they ever hear? The wife just can't stop saying that when I get to drinking all that beer. Says I've been slipping in the family drawer a little too long. Tell me since when it's slipping pretty fancy, sniffing in the kind of thing wrong.
Oh, hi, I didn't see you there.
Well, I can tell.
Hi, I'm Dr. Ted Pettis. You caught me being sophisticated and cleaning my valuable art collection. We here at Men Folding Clothes have gotten a reputation for sophistication, and I wanted you to know that we're far more than sophisticated. We have a rugged side as well. So today, we're going to explore men folding clothes in a more rugged situation. The snow is falling, so let's go out to our snowstorm folding station and do a little folding together. Meet me out there. Come on. Hi there. Ted Pettis here again. We are at the rugged snowstorm folding outpost. And I think I owe it to you, the viewers of Men Folding Clothes, to prove that this is actually a genuine snowstorm. So could I have my snow technician, my rugged snow technician, Ramon? His name is Ramon. Could you please come over here, Ramon? Now, it looks like you have a snowball with you there, Ramon. Okay, that's proof right there, but you want to, here, ready?
Ready.
True snow. Did you see that? Thank you, Ramon. Much appreciated. So when rugged men fold clothes in a snowstorm, we like to have a little beer with it. Nectar of the gods. Not only that, we've got a nice little mug here from Betsy O. Featuring some anatomy there. Ooh, that is a rugged IPA. Here we go. So what shall we, I have some gloves you want to wear to fold in a snowstorm. I feel like I've been doing a lot of shirts lately, so let's skip over to something practical and rugged as well, like these pants here. They might look businessy, but they're actually alpining pants from REI, so that's, you know, really pretty rugged there. It's got a little sophisticated edge to it, but still rugged. So I'm gonna have to zip everything up. Somebody didn't do that before washing. Shake it out, baby. Gloves. Protective gloves. Folding. Rugged folding can be rugged. So I'm gonna half it. And then, I don't know, it's not really folding unless you got a third or quarters in there somewhere. You can't just go halvesies every time. So we're gonna thirdsy it there for a more sophisticated edge on the rugged. So there's some pants. What else we did? I'm gonna a skeleton shirt here. A skeleton shirt. Gotta take a sip between every piece. Go ahead. So we'll do our traditional. I might do one more like was shown by George Pond, where we're gonna quarter it here. I don't usually do this one. It's a little off-brand for me. This is one we learned from the great bass player George Pond. And so now I think we quarter it again. Ooh, look at that. That's got a nice edge to it. Look at that. Isn't that sweet? Oh! See, it is a snowstorm. Extra rugged folding. Just for that, I'm going to finish it off with some underpants.
Sorry, Ted.
Ramon, you're fired! So, oh, I forgot to point it. So I halved it laterally, and then we're going to thirdsy it kind of in the roll there, so you can almost like smoke it like a joint. I mean, a hand-rolled cigarette. There we go. So, you know, I think we've shown enough. I'm going to continue folding, of course, The folding just never stops here at Men Folding Clothes. I'm always folding something in my mind, at least. So anyway, I wish you guys a happy snowstorm, and I'm just going to sign out on that. Keep it creased and rugged. I got them low down, dirty, hurdy-gurdy Eagle's Nest blues, wearing a hole through my chubby checker trekking shoes. All my restless commas shouting, booling